Hello and welcome back to See Natural DIY. My name is Sylvia. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this natural body scrub. I'll be using 4 major ingredients for this tutorial. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So to get started, the first ingredient I'm going to use is my brown sugar. Then after adding it in my bowl, I'm using a cup of brown sugar. After adding it in my bowl, the next ingredient I'm adding is my natural powders. For this particular tutorial, I'm using cinnamon powder and ginger powder. I'm going to combine it, make sure I mix both the powders together to combine them together. So after combining it, the next I'm adding is my lemon juice. I just added 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to this brown sugar, and I'm going to mix it with my spoon to combine both the juice and the powders added before now. Then the next I'm adding is my sweet almond oil. It has a great benefit on the skin. It helps lighten the skin and smoothen the skin as well. So after adding my cinnamon and my sweet almond oil, I'm going to combine it to make sure it mixes with the powders I added previously. The regular use of this body scrub will help reveal the young skin beneath. So here's what my body scrub looks like. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos, and please, if you have any concern, use the comment section. So after mixing it very well, I'm going to, in a clean container, I'm going to transfer my body scrub to it and cover it, and that will be all for this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos and like them. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.